delay. His mama name him Clay, I'ma call him Clay. Back of the bus with Rosa Parks. Too much to say, watch my remarks. South the VA, up top the Philly. Y'all be killing me for real on the really. Recognize the beat when you see heat. Smoke the keyboard can with N-I-K-E. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat. You little boys make the juicy wet. Came through the crowd, heard your brother booing. Said real low, hey, what you doing? Don't you know I've been rapping on track since back in the days when tapes was 8 track. Relax and jump to it like Duran Duran. Like it's Buckley, still get a tan. Over to your girl, hey, what's your number? You and your group must be dumb and dumber.
Timberland, understand. Kicking some fly beats, all my fly fans. Not be the type of us, be the fan. Beat, guaranteed to make it dance. People wanna know where I get my rhythm. And the rhythm come from the thing called wisdom. Rhythm is the thing that comes from the dumb. When the clock strikes 12 and it's over, people already feeling my groove. Now it's time for me to show a proof. Now it's time to get back to my basics. Method, chords, please, please, please. Hey, and forget me. You know what that means. It's 12 o'clock in the party. Just don't stop. Hey, and forget me. You know what that means. It's 12 o'clock in the party. Just don't stop.
I'm in the street kid, that's something your mama free with. But y'all people on if y'all know how to keep a secret. When I get money, you know I like to keep it. How I get money, others are trying to please it. Flip phone, be winners, you wanna form a team with. The big money figures, the ones I'm about to scheme with. The brothers that be getting money free with. The ones I would always measure my triple B's with. Until they start taking my people to the precinct. That's all back in the day, yo, that ain't nothing recent. Cause nowadays we be winning, we like to speed with. Eat with, lay them down and sleep with. Type of woman make a forever wanna keep in. Shorty be so exotic, she looking decent. Lot of corny others be offering rack free. I can't hold her, ain't no more, yo, I gotta release it. What y'all wanna do? Don't you know we always coming through? Me and my crew, let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. All my dogs that's pain-blooded, roll around in the 500 all day. Let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up.
It come the flow, that's the re-up. Diss me to my face, get the taste slapped out. Crapped out, the heat on the plane out to Spain. My mind go to space when I'm kissing on Jane. Can't stand the rain, but love missing. I rock with mad folks, so my middle finger missing. Look for me, I'm Chico, undercover at the Nico. Mag and 2-0, got gas from burrito. Lay you like Frito, if you're white then amigo. In my black tuxedo, the rap Al Pacino. Start in casino, 2 of them in Reno. Not Italiano, but still Gambino. Most of y'all rappers can't do your part. I'ma finish up, but your all can't start. Got no heart, I fought on your LP. I'm on your radio and on your CD.
Regulate any stealing of this property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep. Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warner G was on the streets, trying to consume some skirts from the east, so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC. Now listen, trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you search know what's up with 213.
So I hustle left on 219. John and Lewis, some brothers shooting dice, so I said, let's do this. I jumped out the rock and said, what's up? Some brothers pulled some gas, so I said, I'm
Since
stuck.
these girls speak to me, I'm gonna glide and swerve. These hookers looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking more in 12. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my strap and lay them busters
They
down.
got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly, let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie
16 in the clip and one in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make somebody's turn cold. Now they dropping that yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
Cause it's on N-A-T-E-N-E, the woman to the G.
Just like I thought they were in the same spot, in need of some desperate help. But Nate Dogg and the G-Child were in need of something else. One of them names was sexy as hell. I said, ooh, I like your size. She said my chords broke down and just seemed real nice. Would you let me ride? I got a car full of girls and it's going real swell. The next stop is the east side motel.
I'm tweaking into a whole new era. G-Funk, step to this, I dare ya. Funk on a whole new level.
The rhythm is the bass and the bass is the treble.
Chords, strings, we brings melody. G-Funk, where rhythm is life and life is rhythm.
If you know like I know, you don't wanna step to this. It's the G-Funk era, funked out with a gangster twist. If you smoke like I smoke, then you're high like every day. And if your ass is a buster, 213 will where you lay.